How to cancel your LastPass subscription. So first is you will need to log into your account, and once you're logged in, you just simply need to navigate to the left sidebar, then go to account settings, then click on it. And once it's opened up, you just simply need to navigate to your account information, and under that you will see the links section. Then you just simply need to click on my account and wait for it to load, and once you're here you will see your account information. So if you want to cancel your subscription, you just simply need to navigate to the premium status section, and there should be an option or a button that says cancel. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. So I only have a free trial right here, and if you're also on a free trial, you can also stop or delete it right there. So there's an option of delete family, and if I click on that and click on delete to confirm, it will automatically stop the trial just like that. Same goes with the premium status. If ever you're on a premium status, you just simply need to click on the cancel button, then follow the on-screen prompts, and you should be good to go. After you do that, you will be logged out of your LastPass account. So if you want to log in again, you just simply need to input your details right here. And that is how you basically cancel your LastPass subscription.